boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at some more data, and we're going to be analyzing this data and then interpreting it. And then also we're going to be thinking about questions that we might think of about this data. Because remember, data is very interesting and gives us lots of information to think about. So this was a little survey that I did with some first graders, and I asked them, which cupcake flavor do you like best? And I gave them 3 choices. So the first one here, anybody think they might know what that is? It starts with a V. That's right, it's vanilla. I love vanilla cupcakes. And then the next one is strawberry. And then the final one, I bet you can all guess this one. That's right, it's chocolate. And I'm sure you're already thinking about what your favorite cupcake flavor is. And I probably could eat all 3 of them. They're so yummy. But we're going to look at this data, and I took this thinking, and I did tally marks. And so remember, what does each tally mark mean? That's right, that's 1 vote for that cupcake. So that represents that 1 student that voted for their favorite cupcake flavor. So why do we use tally marks again? That's right, it helps us count it easier. So see this right here? I can already count it by 5s, and since I'm such a good skip counter by 5s, and I know you are too, it makes it so much faster to count. So I can go 5, 10, 11, and 12. And since I know this right here is a group, 2 groups of 5 right there, I can even go ahead and count that by 10. So this right here is a group of 10. So I can go 10, 11, 12. So that makes it even easier to count. So today we're going to be really focusing in on some questions. So what kind of questions might you think of? Well, first of all, I'm really wondering what is the most popular, or I could say favorite, most popular cupcake flavor. Which one is the most popular or favorite cupcake flavor? Well, so I'm going to look back here at my data, and how am I going to be able to tell this? Well, which one has the most? Well, that's what's so great about tally marks, is I can look here, and which one is it? That's right, it is vanilla is the one that is the most popular. I have to tell you, that one's my favorite too. So what other questions can we ask? I'm wondering if you can think of something that I could compare. And when I compare things, I look at 2 different things and see how they are similar or see how they are different. Okay, here I go with a question. See if this is what you're thinking too. How many more students chose vanilla than chocolate. Because I know people like chocolate a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this that I had. Oops, didn't want to erase my tally marks. Let me fix those. Okay. So I know I had how many vanilla? And remember that was 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to go ahead and write 12 here. So I know there's 12. Let's see. Let's look at our question again. How many more students chose vanilla than chocolate? Are we going to have to use all the information on our chart? What would we not have to use? That's right. We don't need to know about strawberry right now, do we? Because we're only comparing the vanilla and the chocolate. Okay, so let's look at our chocolate. Let's see how many chose chocolate as their favorite cupcake flavor. So I know that's 5, so I don't have to start at 1, do I? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 people chose chocolate. So I'm thinking that I might use some math tools here to help me solve this problem. And I know that you have math tools at home. And also you have can use the virtual tools. So I'm going to let the yellow be my vanilla. So how many vanilla do I have to have? That's right. I have to have 12. Let's see if I can get 12 over here. How many do I already have so far? 4. Can you help me count? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, some chocolate. All right, I'm going to let the dark blue be my chocolate. Okay, you ready? How many do I need to have? That's right. I need to have 9 of them. So I'm dragging some over. How many do I have? I have 3. So help me count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have 12 vanilla and 9 chocolate. And so do I need to add those together? Well, let's look back and remember what it's asking, okay? How many more students chose vanilla than chocolate? That wouldn't make sense to add them together. It doesn't want to know how many I have in all. I need to know how many more students chose vanilla than chocolate? Well, I'm noticing if there were 9 vanilla and there were 9 chocolate, they would be the same right here, right? But these students made it more, didn't it? So, how many more students chose vanilla than chocolate? You're right, 3. So, I could think about this in lots of different ways. I could say, well, if I had 9 chocolate, and I think, oh, well, how many more until I got to 12? So, if I had 9, 10, 11, 12, then I would just need the 3 more. I could also think about it if I had 12 vanilla and I took away the 9 chocolate, how many would I have left? I would have 3. So I can think about those in either way. But did I need the strawberry? No. So another question that we might come up with would be strawberry. Okay? When you think about data, I want you to think about, well, what questions can we ask about this? What information can we gain from it? And because data is fun and interesting and it just gives us so much information. So have a great day, boys and girls. Have fun mathing today.